Solve each equation. Number 1, 2x minus 7 equals 3. I-isolate natin yung 2x. So, para matanggal dito yung negative 7, i-add natin siya sa positive 7, both sides. Bring down 2x. Negative 7 plus 7 is 0. 3 plus 7 is 10. So, para makuha yung x, i-bring down yung 2. Ayan. 10 divided 2 is 5. So, ang sagot number 1 is 5. So, number 2, 3x plus 1 is equals to 7x minus 15. Okay, so yung first step natin is i-subtract natin both sides sa negative 7x. So, bakit negative 7x? Siyempre, para maging 0 dito yung 7x at para mailipat sa kabila. 3 plus negative 7x is negative 4x. Bring down plus 1 and 0 na to. So, next, ay i-subtract naman natin sa negative 1 both sides para ma-isolate natin yung negative 4x. Bring down negative 4x to 0 and negative 15 plus negative 1 is negative 16. So, para makuha yung value ng x, bring down negative 4. Negative 16 divided by negative 4 is positive 4. So, yan.